Have you ever wanted to get random numbers in your spreadsheet? Just something to play with to test something out? Well, did you know that Excel offers this facility? Let me share it with you in today's video. Hi, I'm Michelle, a computer coach here sharing tips and tricks on your everyday software to make life that little bit easier. Here I am in Excel, and the function that you need to use is simply RAND. So equals RAND. Open and close the bracket and hit return, and you get a random number. The annoying thing is it's always really low, which means if you're trying to do some kind of calculation with it, you basically don't really have very much to use. The actual formula that you want to use is equal rand, open and close brackets, and then times, which is the star, by 100. And you now get a much more useful number. We can copy this just as you would normally. And here's the small technical problem with this particular option. It's a function, and Excel is set up that it automatically recalculates functions and formulas every time something happens. And that means if I even type in hello, anything, you'll see those numbers automatically change. Not particularly useful when you're trying to work something out. So, once you've got the amount of information that you need on the spreadsheet, what I'm going to recommend next is highlight it all, copy it, and you're going to paste it back in, but this time you're going to click on the paste icon and the text paste to see all the options. And the one that we want is the one that says paste values. So as I click on there, you'll see it changes again, but now when I click on it, you'll notice that the number is a number. There isn't a formula in the background, which means that these are going to stay fixed. Of course, these numbers are all a bit horrible, so let's just tidy them up. Let's get them down to, well, let's do 1 decimal point. And you can see you've now got some fixed or static numbers that you can play and test things out with. I hope that you find this useful. If you do, then please remember to give this video a thumbs up. And if you'd like to be told as more tips and tricks become available on my channel, then remember to click subscribe and that notification bell. Bye for now.